parking lot because I didn't have a lot of gas. If I can remember or not, if I did or not, I think I didn't. And then when he got off of work, I came home and then was reading the Bible. I was getting bothered. So I stepped out of the house, get my cigarette. He started getting bothered in there by himself. So he said, hey man, you know.
Daddy, I'm recording the rain, just hope you know that.
Okay. He said, should I leave? Is it a good idea if I should leave about the house? I said, yes. If you thinking that you need to leave about the house.
Alright guys, it's 6:07 and now it's raining with the light to moderate rain.
You got that Mark? I bought one too. It's probably in that cloud.
Is it back to a mist again?
No, it's still raindrops on the cement.
Was that a heavy rain?
What do you think?
No.
Light to moderate. I'm gonna call my mom and dad. We just playing phone tag.
Alright. Where's phone tag?
They would call me, I can't talk, and I'd call them, they couldn't talk, back and forth.
Hey, hold on. Hey, you didn't eat your mac and cheese?
No,
Why?
because I didn't want it.
Why you cooked it?
Because I thought I would want it.
Please leave your message for
Hi! Can you guys talk and update me so you're driving home?
Yeah, we're gonna go it slow because we're at rush hour.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys. We're pretty much gonna be almost at medium puddles again. Yep. We're at medium again, guys. This over here, a big puddle. Well, no. Yeah. Yep. Yep, we're at medium puddles now. That's for sure. It keep on drizzling and making this mist. It's not dry up under the trees at all no more. Except for a little bit right there and by the mailbox. I was talking about like it's misting hard. Yep, it's a little bit dry still. It just came down with light to moderate rain, like actual rain. Not a mist. It's still dry up under this tree, so yeah. It's still dry up under the tree. Definitely over there. Let's go see. Man, I'm trapped in it. There we go. Just don't want to step in the water that has car oil. Yep, it's still dry up under the trees. But yeah, that was medium puddles. That's how you know that it's medium, guys. About the same amount when John came over. I thought it was big at first, but I'm counting it as medium because they're not connected or anything. Usually big puddles is either separate or connected, but sometimes they can get connected and sometimes they can get separate. But it's misting a lot today because the whole entire sky is blended in. And plus, it's not going to clear up. So we'll see after 8 o'clock. We got 2 more hours to go. I remember this one time on August 12th, this ongoing storm that I was talking to Melanie and said, I just want it dry up under the trees. That day it never stopped raining. Kept going until it flooded the parking lot. And after the parking lot was flooded, then it decided to stop. It's not even dry over here no more. Probably a little bit over there, maybe. I'm not sure. Yep. It's starting to be puddles up under here now. The dry spots are starting to go away because the trees keep dripping. It's still dry though. Those trees are soaking wet. That's why it looks like it's heavy rain with them. Look how big the puddles are. They're not super big. They're more like medium, but if they were big, it would be bigger than this though. Yeah, it's a little small dry spot. If it were to stop, it would not be that much rain. This is a big puddle. That's definitely a big puddle. That's not medium. And it's still misting too. Guess this rain ain't gonna never stop. Just don't want to. It's being stubborn. I gotta hurry the heck up and get home because I ain't gonna be out in this stuff all day. It stops, it goes. It stops, it goes. It stops, it goes. It stops, it goes. Oh, there we go. Still a little bit. Still misting here. And the thing is, it was cloudy earlier and it's misting just a little bit. These puddles are huge. So, I would say that they are big over here. I'm not gonna lie. Those puddles are huge. Those are bigger than medium. It would be a big puddle over here too, so that's how you know if it's big puddles. Because this sidewalk gets kind of flooded when it rains really, really hard. There's a puddle here, but it's not as big, so I would consider that medium. It's still dry over here. A little bit right by the car. But that's about it. It's getting flooded over here a little bit. Definitely down there a little. Well, no, it's still dry up under the trees too. Yeah. It's coming down way down there at the pool. Oh yeah. Look how that looks, guys. It's real foggy down at that pool down there. Now, I don't know if that's heavy rain or if it's just the mist, but yep, this puddle is medium. This for sure is medium, that's for sure. That's about the same size as the one that we had on May 5th.
Yeah, the 3 by the pepper. I mean by the tomatoes.
Just keep on misting.
So anyways, everything's good. I will let you go and we will...
Alright guys, I think it might start flooding on one
We're
side.
definitely not going to get together Friday. You guys can rest.
Alright guys,
And then,
I'll see y'all guys later.
maybe
It's
Saturday,
raining down there, guys.
Kids definitely want to meet up with you guys.
Look how foggy it is down there.
And I know for which kids, my kids or
Oh.
I'm not sure if that's heavy rain. I don't think so. Because I always see the drops from way down there. Alright, I think it's going to mist again. Alright, I'll see you later. Peace out.